This is the Diesel Common Rail Turbo Engine Educational Trainer. It is made for disassembling and assembling a CR-type diesel engine with a turbocharger. The engine is an OEM diesel engine with a common rail fuel system and a turbocharger. Students can work directly on the fuel injection system, including injectors, fuel rail, and high-pressure pump. They will also disassemble and assemble the turbocharger, intake manifold, and alternator. The trainer includes a complete timing belt system and auxiliary belt system. Students can learn how to remove, install, and tension engine belts. The engine is mounted on a stand that rotates manually 360 degrees for full access. The key function of this trainer is to teach full diesel engine disassembly and assembly. Students learn how the engine is built, from every bolt to every major component. This develops a deep understanding of engine construction, mechanical design, and repair techniques. To learn more, visit autoedu.com or contact our team.